Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to make B the subject, and I see there are two. So first step would then be to try and make sure all the terms with B on one side. So you would then see me doing this. Bx, I'm going to minus 2b on both sides, so that you will see minus 2b here, and I'm left with y. Next, I do see that b has now become a common factor. So what this means is that we could then factorize b as the common factor, and I will have a x minus 2 in, and last but not least, I'm going to divide by x minus 2 on both sides to give me the final answer, y over x minus 2. And we have successfully made B the subject. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.